In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hyperlinks on a LinkedIn post on mobile. Before we jump in, let's quickly define what a hyperlink is. A hyperlink is a clickable piece of text or an image that sends you to another place when you tap it. That destination might be a website, a specific section on a page, a video, or even a file. Hyperlinks are how we move around the internet, and adding them to your LinkedIn posts helps your audience quickly reach the resources you're sharing. We're doing this on the LinkedIn mobile app, and the process is the same on most phones. Start by opening the app. At the bottom of the screen, tap the Post button to begin composing. In the text area, write your description first. This is where you explain what your post is about and why the link matters. Clear, concise context helps people understand why they should click. Once your description is done, press the Enter or Return key twice. That adds a blank line, giving your link some breathing room so your post looks clean and easy to scan. This spacing isn't required, but it improves readability and helps your link stand out. Now paste or type the URL you want to include. Make sure it's the full link, ideally starting with http or www, so LinkedIn recognizes it. Avoid adding extra punctuation immediately after the URL, like a period or comma, as that can break the link. If you're using a shortened link, that's fine too. Just double check that it opens correctly in your browser before you post. After you enter the link, tap Enter again or pause for a moment. LinkedIn will detect the URL and may show a link preview below the text box. That's normal, and it helps your audience know what they're clicking. Even if you don't see a preview, the URL will still be clickable once the post is published, so you're good to go. A couple of quick tips to make your link more effective. Keep your description focused on the benefit to the reader, mention what they'll find when they click, and place the link on its own line so it doesn't get buried in a long paragraph. If you're linking to a video or file, say what it is and why it's useful. And that's it. Adding a hyperlink to a LinkedIn post on mobile is that simple. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future uploads.